Welcome to the Web Wheel Products video guide outlining brake drum inspection tips. In this video, we will review common brake drum conditions and discuss potential issues that can cause each. Start by safely chalking the vehicle, supporting the axle, and removing the wheels and tires per the manufacturer's recommendations. Release the vehicle's parking brake so that brake components can be disassembled. Remove the brake drum from the vehicle and clean away any debris so the brake surface and mounting area can be inspected. First, review the drum's braking surface for any abnormal conditions. Ensure the brake drum's condition is consistent around the entire brake surface. This indicates that the brake drum was running true to the spindle and the linings were contacting the drum evenly. If the drum's condition is not consistent around the entire brake surface, the drum was not running true to the spindle and the linings were not applying an even force to the brake drum. This operating condition can cause heavy heat check cracks, hot spots, bluing, and uneven wear on one side of the drum, thus reducing the efficiency and life of the brake drum. The most common reason for this irregular wear is a mismounted brake drum. Mismounts can be caused by tightening the wheel fasteners when the brake drum's center pilot is misaligned to the hub's pilot pads. Examine the center pilot of the brake drum for witness marks from a mismount. When mismounted, the hub's pilot pads can damage the brake drum pilot and leave depressions indicating the drum was not centered onto the hub. The hub's pilot pads can also be damaged during a mismount, preventing future brake drums from centering properly. To prevent mismounted brake drums, ensure proper installation techniques are used as outlined in TMC's recommended practice RP222, User's Guide to Wheels and Rims, and in Web Wheels brake drum installation videos. Heat check cracks form on a drum's brake surface during normal use. Typically, these cracks are small and will wear away and reform as time passes. Heavy, frequent heat check cracks longer than 3 inches in length can indicate issues with the brake system, including incorrect brake drum selected for the vehicle's duty cycle, use of an inadequate friction, or brake balance issues. If these issues are left unattended, the heat check cracks can grow together, ultimately leading to drum failure. Drums with heavy heat check cracks longer than 3 inches in length should be replaced. Hot spotting or bluing on a drum's brake surface indicates that the brake has experienced high temperatures. These conditions can stem from underlying brake system issues and should be investigated to check for dragging brakes, excessive duty cycle, inadequate brake shoes, or S-cam issues. Drums that show signs of bluing can be reused, whereas drums with hot spots should be replaced. Next, inspect the brake drum for excessive grooving and wear. Grooving can be caused by debris trapped in the drum, from inadequate brake linings, and from the fasteners used to attach the friction blocks to the brake shoes. Drums must be discarded if any area of the brake surface exceeds the maximum wear diameter limit for that drum, including the deepest area of a wear groove. Inspect the brake drum for any damage or cracking. Dropping or impacting the drum can cause the drum to crack. Look for witness marks from impacts and ensure there is no damage present. Before a brake drum is reinstalled onto a vehicle, it should be measured to ensure there is adequate wear surface remaining. There are many tools that can be used to check the diameter of a brake drum. Ensure the brake surface falls well below the maximum wear diameter prior to reusing. Some drums, such as the Web Vortex product line, include an integrated braking surface wear indicator to visually determine the remaining wear life, even while installed on the wheel end. Prior to reinstallation, ensure the drum's mounting area is clean and free of any debris that could prevent the drum from mating to the hub properly. Also clean and inspect the hub's mounting surfaces for damage and debris. Follow industry-recommended installation procedures to ensure the drum is properly installed onto the hub and does not exceed the industry standard runout limits as specified by TMC. For more information and additional training videos, including video guides to proper wheel end installation, visit Web Wheel Products Foundation Brake Training website, and Technology and Maintenance Council's recommended practice TMC RP608, Brake Drums and Rotors, or contact Web Wheels Engineering Department by email at engineering@webwheel.com.